The first question we have is, what are your plans to clean up the scandal-ridden departments, IRS, NSA, Justice Department, Defense, and Healthcare?
Wow. Dave, how long have I got? 2 minutes on that?
I need 3 hours.
3 hours. Those are systemic problems. And so we gotta look at it as systemic problems. NSA is out of control, completely out of control, because, and quite honestly, NSA, the problem with NSA is a reflection of lack of trust we have in government. I mean, at a certain point, ladies and gentlemen, we're just kind of now waiting for the next shoe to fall, aren't we? I'm kind of going, well, now that the president's lied to us about Fast and Furious, and now that he's lied to us about Benghazi, and now that he's lied to us about IRS, and now that he's lied to us about the Fox News guy, and now he's lying to us about NSA, we're just kind of punch weary. And the problem is not that each one of those aren't really difficult challenges, because they really are. But the challenge is, for us, is who up there in Washington is going, we're not going to do this anymore. We're going to fight back. Now, and I mean really fight back. And I mean, too many times our elected officials here in Washington, or out of Tennessee to Washington, want to play this political kabuki game, right, or this little campfire game around the campfire where we're singing songs, kumbaya, and hold hands. And I'm mindful that in church history, when the greatest time in which the church flourishes is when it's being persecuted. I think we need to recognize as conservatives the greatest time that we flourish is when we're being persecuted. We're being persecuted, so it's time to flourish. And I just think we need to put a little chip on our shoulder, and we'll put on a little attitude and say, you know something? If this country's worth fighting for, it's worth maybe making a few people mad about. And I don't know the mechanics of doing that, but I know that we need a simpler tax code. I'm a great believer in a flat tax, quite honestly, with no deductions. And those are some of the places I'd like to start.